Given the measure of one angle, find the measures of as many angles as possible. And then, what are the measurements of angle 4, angle 6, angle 2, and angle 8? Well, let's start by finding the measurements of all of the available angles that we have here. We know 50 degrees is right here. And we know that if we were to reflect this 50-degree angle across this line that splits both angles 4 and 6 directly in half, it will overlap completely with angle 5. That will make the measure of angle 5 50 degrees also. And then if we actually look at angles 4 and 6, we can see that they are both adjacent to our initial angle given, which is 50 degrees. So because they are adjacent and together form a straight angle, they are supplementary. So we can take 180 degrees and subtract 50 from it to get 130 degrees. So the measure of angle 6 will be 130 degrees. And by the same exact reasoning, we would get that the measure of angle 4 is also 130 degrees. And then if we were to take these 4 angles and translate them straight down and to the left, they will directly overlap with the 4 angles down here. The 50 degrees will automatically overlap with angle 1, so its measure will also be 50 degrees. And angle 5, whose measurement is 50 degrees, will directly overlap with angle 7. So its measure will also be 50 degrees. And then angle 4, after the translation, will directly overlap with angle 2. So its measure is 130 degrees. Likewise, angle 6, after the translation, will directly overlap with angle 8. So therefore, the measure of angle 8 will also be 130 degrees. So now we have the measures of all of the unknown angles. Now let's look at the question. What are the measure of angle 4, the measure of angle 6, the measure of angle 2, and the measurement of angle 8? They are all 130 degrees, or answer choice C.